how it worsens. Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless, devious,
Pretty.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one!
Make it through.
Yes, everyone knows my name. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darling. See? And some of you do understand me. They call the eyes in the stare. All innocent children and their everywhere more. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. So that was Is it my fault I have a flair for fashion? Or that the puppies stir my passion? Darling, great artists are always misunderstood. It's enough to make one see spots! It's pronounced to kill! And the shock! Bubbles come to realize! Yes! Yes! You from underneath the wall!
But true.
I love the feel!
Excuse me.
What? She doesn't scare you. No evil thing will. Just see the Afro's candy. Finish. Show me love. I love the feel. And the most misunderstood of all.
What did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
Hey, pal, I know you're in there.
Oh no.
Clearly, I'm the one.
I have told you I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you. Really?
There isn't a one who won't have fun nor the world's most famous crook. I finally made it through the glass. Why, hello. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. That dread Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Do you boo me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that, answering to let me see. No one! Sing! So try the life of a thief to save the life of a cook. There isn't a one who won't have fun working for Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook. Don't spring! So tricky! Look here, a special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the plank. The choice is up to you. Yes! Hello. No! Oh! Magic mirror on the wall. Who's misunderstood? Why me? That's all. You love the life of a thief. You'll relish life of a cook. These levels are fun for everyone. You'll get chances by the ton. What? To come and sign the book. To not to quit. Captain.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so.
You will pay.
They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Frightened the knave in the mirror away, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending? Except you? It's so cliche. I've been woefully misinterpreted. Your love for me at once. Wasn't it my curse that brought Sleeping Beauty, the taste of true love? I suppose you could say that the happily ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing! Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood! Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
How perfect. They've seen the light. It's never wrong to make things right. It was
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
It's better ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Flummy Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay? You know what I mean?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the god!
Insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's talking those, huh?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that
Silence!
Okay, I know. Hey, whoever's knocking, never mind. I'm here first.
I gotta get that friend.
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed. Rejected.
And,
Publicly humiliated.
Turned exiled and very starving. Cats and their fancy cars don't give you so much the sideways class.
Oh no, more than three? How can we?
tell me about it. All I really want is a little respect.
All of you guys know who I am.
The grand vizier!
Did you think this was
That it has come to this. I'm surrounded by evil.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. Or you. Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill? Cruella, shout for the world's most famous crook.
I've got barrels of funds!
Captain Hook.
Louder! Louder, me hearties! Yes!
Or scream in a deviant upheaval.
My curse produced true love!
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil. The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well,
No!
but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anyone!
Why must I endure riffraff?
The